If you're looking for a cameraman, this is your lucky day because you can get one of these cameras and it's gonna do everything for you. So that's what they promise, and we're gonna put it to the test today. So today I have the XbotGo Chameleon, and this is an AI sport cameraman. That's what they claim on the box. So this thing is $350 at the time of this recording on Amazon. So we have a remote control. So basically you can control everything you need with the remote. So you don't have to actually go and touch the camera. It comes with a USB Type-C cable, I'm assuming for charging and data transfer. It actually looks pretty good. Check it out. It looks nice. It has a little bit of weight to it. So this is the lens in the front. We have a button in the front. I'm not sure what does it do. We have a cool logo on the right side and on the both sides. And on the top we have a phone holder, and we have a knob in the back to pretty much lock and unlock the phone, to hold the phone so it doesn't fall off. This thing is a fingerprint magnet. The texture is like a matte finish, so it's attracting fingerprints. In the back we have that USB Type-C port. At the bottom we have a screw hole, so if you want to put it on a tripod, I'm assuming you have to put it on tripod at all times, or you can just leave it on a desk or something. If I want to put the phone on top, it's gonna be something like this, and I'm just gonna lock it in place so it's not gonna fall off. So you have your display here, because the camera doesn't have any display, it's just the lens and the camera, that's it. I'm assuming it's gonna tilt up and down. I'm not sure, but from this design I can see might be the case. We need to download the app. So, okay, the app is installed, and the first step is asking me to put the camera right in the middle line of the football field or soccer field or whatever the case might be, because this is technically like a sport camera. It's not for like personal use or like anything else. It's just one niche case for this camera. So I guess that's what people are using it for, huh? But I was hoping maybe you can just use it as a camera to create content, create videos, because you can put your phone on the top and just record. I think that would work too, but I'm not sure. Let's figure it out. Okay, I just turned it on, so the logo in the back actually lights up. There's a status bar down here. I think that's the charge level. All right, the connection was fast. Now we need to connect the remote as well. Remote is on and is blinking pretty fast, and it's connected as well. I need to update the firmware first. Okay, so the camera is updated. It had a couple of updates. I had to wait like 10 minutes to update everything. So we are ready to go now. So in the app I have like the camera and remote connected. Let me just click on, I'm not even sure if it has a memory to record on the camera, or is it just transferring everything to the phone. Let's go ahead and try record. Okay, so when you hit record, you can select the sport you're pretty much covering. We have soccer, we have basketball, ice hockey, handball, just the follow me function, tennis, pickleball, that's a good one, lacrosse, and we have badminton, and we have football. Those are on beta version. Let me just try the soccer first, next, and field size. You have to give it all the information. Okay, so it's not gonna work in this environment, in this studio. I don't know why is it giving me information about the gimbal, but I'm not using any gimbal. So it just wants me to center this line with the gimbal, but I don't have a gimbal, so I'm just gonna skip it. Okay, so it just gives you the height, and you have to adjust it to that specific height. Okay, you can also stream the like sport and also record the video. So the thing is, the camera is not gonna be able to use any AI function without the phone. So the phone has to be put on top of the camera, because the AI features are from the app, not the camera itself. So the camera doesn't know what it's looking, because right now the phone camera app is open, and that's how the AI features work. That's a little bit like sad, because you pay like $400 for like a camera, and it doesn't even have the AI functions in the camera built in, and you have to use your phone. I was hoping if the camera does the AI thing and tracking and everything, I can just take my phone with me and monitor it wherever I am. No matter basically where I am, I can like monitor everything and have a viewfinder in my hand. But that's not the case. You have to leave it on the camera in case you want it to work. That is a little bit not good. Okay. Anyway, so let me just try and see if it's gonna do anything. It doesn't even make sense. If I don't have the camera view, what am I watching? I'm just watching the video from my own phone. Why is it not showing the camera view? So in the settings, we can adjust the resolution. We have the video duration. We have like 30 minutes, and we have our video resolution, and the max is 4K 60 FPS. Okay, let's just do 4K 60. We want to get the maximum resolution. We have the auto zoom and auto tracking. So okay, so it shows me the pan angle. So we have like 150-degree pan angle. You can limit it to 60 degree all the way to 150. I'm just gonna leave it at 150. Let's save it. So now we are recording, and it's basically, so the view is only my camera from my phone. I don't see what the camera sees. So I have no idea what it's recording and what it's doing. I'm not even sure because it doesn't even turn left and right now. Okay, let me just stop the recording. What's the point of this camera in here if it's gonna use my phone to record the video? Oh my god, I just figured it out. This thing is just the cameraman. It's not a camera. That's why on the box it says AI Sports Cameraman. That's why. It is only a cameraman. It's not a camera. That's so insane. That's so insane because they are selling a device. Again, another scam. They're selling a device as an AI service. You only need an app to have all these features. It doesn't even record on the camera here. This is so insane because $350 for this device, and it's already been done with the gimbal. Let me just show you. I have like a gimbal here that does the same thing for like 150 bucks. I have this gimbal from Hohem. Okay, so it comes with the AI tracking. So this is the AI tracking unit. So you put it on the gimbal and you put your phone, and when you're like recording a subject, you can activate it and it's gonna start tracking with actually hand gestures. So you can like frame it, track it, start recording, stop recording, do all of that with this gimbal. Okay, 150 bucks. So if you want to record sport, you want to pay 350 bucks for this one. And what does it do differently? So this whole thing is basically this AI tracking unit. This is small, but they built it like this to make it like it's, why is it expensive? The thing is, if it's using my phone for the zoom in and out, the quality is not going to be good because I already don't want to zoom in because the quality is not good. Depends on the phone. I mean, if it's like iPhone 16, it's going to be good, but if it's like a regular phone, it's not going to be good. I was hoping the camera is going to do all of those things. Honestly, I don't see the value for this device. I haven't even tested it, but what's the point when you can buy a gimbal for like fraction of the price, put it on the tripod, and do the tracking? Am I mistaken or what's going on? I'd like to know your thoughts because I might be wrong and this could be actually a valuable device. Again, another device that sells the AI service as a device. AI is not a device, AI is a service. I'm pretty sure there's an app out there that has the auto zoom and auto tracking. I cannot really wrap my head around this. So the rotation this gimbal has, it's gonna rotate like even more than that, 360 degrees without the stop. This one is limited to 150 degrees, okay? And we have a player tracking on this one. So the gimbal is not going to be able to do the player tracking because the app is optimized for that. But the gimbal, you can like click on the person that you want to track and it's going to do it for you. If it was me, I'm not going to buy this. I'm going to buy a gimbal with the AI tracking module. So we have a really good one that recently came out from DJI, the DJI R4 Mini, I believe. That one has a perfect tracking, perfect gimbal as well, and it holds like a DSLR big cameras as well. And that one is $360. But if you want to go like a budget-friendly one, you can go with the Hohem. This is a M6 version, and this one has the tracking. It's really good gimbal. $150, $160 for this gimbal. But you can even up a notch and go for the Hohem M7. That one is a lot better than this one. But essentially, you only need a gimbal. You don't need this. That's the review for this video. That's my goal for you guys, to save money for you and give you a better solution, not just coming up here and open gadgets and be like, oh, I actually want to help you make a better decision if you want to purchase a gadget, because these devices are super expensive and you deserve to know what you are getting. And if you value like videos like this, honest videos, honest reviews, please subscribe to my channel. Sorry to disappoint on this one, but thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.